Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore your website with UpdraftPlus. I'm going to use the plugin to restore your website. Now let's go in my WordPress to do this. Click in UpdraftPlus. You need to have this plugin installed before you lose everything, okay? Now click in restore. You see, I have an existing backup, the WordPress plugins, term, upload, and other things. Just click in restore now. Everything is okay. Choose the component. I'm going to restore all the things. Just check everything. Click in next. Download it back up. Everything is okay. Let's see what happened here. The download backup 5 is needed. Okay. Let's click and restore. Okay, restoration progress. Database, okay. Plugins, okay. Themes, okay. Uploads is okay. Restore successful. Let's come back. Click and return to UpdraftPlus configuration. Now you need to log in again in your website. I am logging in my website. Okay. I look here, everything looks good. Let's refresh this page to see what happens here. Okay, everything is okay. Let's see the service page. Good. Review page. Good. Okay, let's go into WordPress to look at the pages. You can see I have all my pages back again. Everything is okay. If you need help, just let a comment below. I will let all the link, hosting your Nippy link. And very important, if you are our client and you need the plugins UpdraftPlus, go in your account page or login in Nippy link. Just click in login. Next, go in plugins include with Nippy link. Go here and click in UpdraftPlus Pro to download the plugin. After the plugin is downloaded, you can use it in your website to restore your website. And if you are not our client yet, go to nippylink.com, click and get started. Put your first name, last name, your phone number, your email, your password, and check all these and click and get Nippy link. After, go to your account page, you can download the plugins. After that, remember, you can have access to UpdraftPlus in all other plugins. For example, WordPress Security, Divi, Rank Max 0 Pro, MemberPress Download, MemberPress PDF, MemberPress Account, MemberPress Pro, Fluent CMR. This is Email Marketing Pro, Fluent Support, Fluent Form, Betterdoc, in Admin Insight Enhancement. And if you are our lifetime client, you can click in Pro Plugins for Lifetime Plan User, and you can have access to all of these plugins, affiliate plugins, WhatsApp plugins, SEO and analytic plugins, e-commerce plugins, page builder and design plugins. All is plugins, optimization and performance plugins, translation plugins, schedule plugins, security and SSLA plugins. And after that, you have more options. WordPress Pro Theme, WooCommerce Pro Theme. Don't forget, if you want to have access to all of these plugins, you need to do one subscription. You just need to get Nippy link, have access forever. You can see that. After that, you can have a complete website package, lifetime update in this moment, plugins, the same in the plan starter, exclusive package, premium template, additional plugins, pro themes, WooCommerce Pro Team, dedicated support, and exclusive community. My name is Cliff. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.